Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. We are launching RBI Grade B 2026 90-day 101 AIR-1's mentorship program specifically designed for the serious aspirants who want personalized guidance from the toppers and the mentors. Under this particular program, you will be receiving two 101 sessions with the super mentor who himself has scored a rank 1 in the RBI Grade B examination, where you can discuss your preparation strategy, your doubts, your improvement areas. You will also be having 101 session with the mentors every 15 days. Students will also be a part of dedicated WhatsApp study group guided by the AIR-1 mentor. Along with this, you will be getting customized study plan to track your progress, so you always know what to focus and how to improve. The program also gives you access to all the RBI Grade B 2026 present and the upcoming batches, along with the RBI Grade B 2026 crash course that covers the entire syllabus from the scratch. All the Oliveboard courses are curated by experienced faculty and trusted over by 2 crore aspirants across India. If you want personalized mentorship, clear roadmap, and strong guidance during the most crucial phase of the preparation, this plan can definitely take your preparation to the next level. Thank you so much.